Hey guys, let's see today how to create and open zip files on iPhone. So for that, you can see over here I have created one zip files on my iPhone. So how to create and how to open that zip files on your iPhone. So guys, for that just go to Files app. You can see over here I have created one zip files on my iPhone. So in similar way, how do you create, how do you make zip files on your iPhone? So guys, for that, just let's example I want to first go to that any photos app, and if you go here and see here, now I want to make a zip on this photo. If you have any kind of the files, that also you can, on top of that also you can zip it. So for me, just for example, I want to make a zip on this picture. So first do one thing. So first you copy this here, and now just try to go to your files app, and now here you can just paste it here. Just paste. So you can see here after paste this, the picture already appeared here. And now guys, I want to make a zip on this photo and this photo. First you click on the select and just select the photo which you want to make it a zip. I want to make this photo and this photo to make a zip. I have already selected on that. And after that, just you can see over here at that bottom right corner, the three horizontal, just click on that, and now you can click on compress. Just go for compress, and you can see over here you go that archive.zip, the archive.zip, that one folder as a zip folder, that file has been created. So this way guys, you can create a zip file on your iPhone. And now if you want to rename, and you can go for rename this file also. So let me rename. I wanted to rename, just like for example test file. I have done it. And now guys, if I want to open this zip file which I have created, so just select that one. Guys, you wanted to see whatever the content inside the zip file, so just tap on it, and you can see one folder, the test which we have created. Again you have to tap on it, and now these two. So here you see, so these are the two photos which I have created a zip file. So guys, this way you can create zip files on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.